docking, as well as I will give a demo. That part will be going slowly. Docking part and the analysis part will go a bit slow, and rest other processes like ligand data retrieval, ligand conversion, protein data retrieval and protein cleaning, and then grid parameters and all, I will go quick in that. And the docking part as well as analysis part I will go a bit slow. Okay, so let's restart the process. Just focus on the class today, even if you have missed any class in between, okay, at any point of time in the previous week or the before week. So we will be doing the practical part now from the scratch, okay, but it will be a quick one. Okay, so listen carefully, plug in your headset and focus. Okay, so the first thing is the ligand data retrieval part. Okay, ma. So now I am not going to use PubChem. I will show a different way, or else you want me to show the same procedure from the PubChem. What is your opinion? Yes, guys, quickly answer. Don't waste time.
Same procedure, sir.
Okay, okay, Bhumika. Yeah. So then let's go to the PubChem. Okay. So here I am going to take a compound which is a nucleotide analog, because FAD is a nucleotide analog. Okay. So I'm just typing nucleotide analog. Okay. So you can see this is one nucleotide analog. Okay. So let me select this one. So I'm not going to the table part now because I'm focusing only on the docking way, docking perspective. Okay, so just click on the download button and you just save this conformer in 3D SDF format. Okay, so once the molecule is saved, just rename that one. So here I am renaming this molecule as ligand. Okay, as multiple apps are running, so it's taking time now. Okay, so I'm just renaming this one as the ligand. Okay, so now this ligand molecule we have to convert this one to the PDB file. Okay, so for that we have to open this file in the notepad, give a right click and click on open with. Then here you select notepad. Okay, so select the entire data information present in this notepad file, copy this one, then go to Google Chrome, open a new tab, open Babel. Okay, online format converter. Okay, so we are using this software Open Babel. Okay, you can download that software also, or you can use the online version also. Okay, so that is a free software only. So this is how the interface of Open Babel looks, and the left side we have input area. So remove the existing data, paste your file and cross check here, and you have given input format. Select the options in the middle. Input format is SDF, select SDF, and output format we want PDB, select the PDB. Okay, and generate coordinates 3D, and add or delete hydrogens, no change. pH I am putting as 7, and click on the convert button. So now the file will be converted to the PDB file. You can see the log here, one molecule converted, and click on the download button. So the file will be downloaded to your downloads folder. So now go to the folder and you can see this one, it will be named as structure by default. So rename that one also as the ligand. Okay, now. So now this ligand file we have to convert that one to PDB-QT format. So for that we are using a tool called AutoDock Tools. Okay, so as you have already installed, type auto, and here we need some space. Okay, so then the file will appear. So open the app, AutoDock Tools. I think it is already open. Okay, it is already open. So this will open another tab also, no worries. Let me close the previous one. Okay, we have to minimize all the, when we are opening Autodoc, we have to minimize everything. Okay, because this app, it will usually run in the back end. So the existing tab have closed. I think it will take more time. So let me go to the task manager. So these are the issues which you guys also come across when you are working. Okay, so minimize. Okay, this is not responding. Okay, we just check here whether we have this Python one is actually related to the Autodoc tools. Okay, so this will click on end task. Okay, you can see that one has been disappeared. Now the fresh one loading. Okay, let the button get activated. So make a note. You can write notes actually. I am not sure how many of you are writing notes. Yes, ma. Does anyone has any questions? It's taking too much time here. Okay, so now the button has got activated. Okay, now go to ligand. Am I audible? Yes, ma. Any one of you please confirm that I am audible.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So now go to the ligand, click on input, open, then go to the folder. I have saved it in downloads only, so I will go to the downloads. Okay, so you, and now this files of type you have to select all files. Okay, then select the ligand molecule, and that should be in PDB format. Okay, just check here, type protein data bank, then click on open. Okay, then click on OK, and you can see there are once this has been loaded, it is different. Once we click OK, the file format, hydrogens, it has deleted automatically. Okay, all the changes it has to make, it will make automatically. Okay, so then we have to save this one directly. Go to ligand, output, save as PDBQT. Okay, now go to the folder. So I am just save it in downloads only, and here we have to type ligand dot pdbqt. Okay, ma, don't forget this one. So you have to type manually ligand dot pdbqt and save as type pdbqt files, then click on save. So this is how you are going to save the ligand file. Okay, with this we are done with the saving ligand part. Okay, so we can close this one. Okay, okay, now before closing only, you just do a cross check. So go to the downloads folder where we have saved, and just cross check the ligand file exists or not. This is the new file that has created. So give a right click and just click on properties, and there you can see .pdbqt, Autodoc structure file .pdbqt. So this is the way you have to confirm. So now let me create a folder with today's date to avoid confusing. Okay, 02012025. Okay, and let's move all the files to this folder. Okay, so now let us work with the protein. Okay, so for that we have to open Discovery Studio. So I am going to take the protein 4FGJ. Okay, because I have taken nucleotide analog as my target molecule. Okay, FAD is the target molecule. Okay, so this protein I am going to take, which is already existing, but we have to save this one without ligand. Okay, already we have taken the parameters, right? So let's delete the ligand group and save this protein without ligand. Okay, go to file, save as. If you have not taken parameters, you have to take the parameters, then you have to delete that information, delete the ligand, and then you have to save it. Okay, so downloads this today's date, and I am typing it as 4fgj underscore clean. So this is the type pdb file. So save as type, select pdb file. Okay, then click on save. Okay, so remember one thing, the pdb file which you are using to make a note of grid parameters, the same file you have to use for docking also. Okay, if you use a different file of same protein, that won't work. Okay, every time when you are opening a protein, the 3D coordinates will change. Okay, so that is the reason you have to use the same file which one you are using for the grid parameters generation. Okay, so this is the file I have used for grid parameters generation, so I am using the same file. Okay, I think someone is trying.